So I am making a really healthy, absolutely delicious granola. The great thing about this recipe is that you can obviously mix and match. So if you don't have almonds, you can use other nuts like walnuts, pecan nuts, and you can make it and change it according to your taste. I am making almond and coconut granola today. 300 grams of rolled oats, 130 grams of chopped up almonds, 60 grams of pumpkin seeds, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 50 grams of desiccated coconut, 80 ml of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of oil, and then all you have to do is mix. And 2 tablespoons of honey to finish. Mix. And once everything's mixed properly, you spread it on a baking tray, and this goes in an oven at 160°C for 15 minutes, and then we'll turn it around. So it's been 15 minutes and I'm just going to just turn this over, and then it will go back in the oven for 15 minutes. That is looking lovely. I'm just going to take it out and let it cool down. So here it is. I have baked it for 30 minutes. Now you might feel like you need another 5 minutes, so just test it. But it has a lovely golden color. The house smells incredible, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it cool down before I put it in the jar, so it crisps up nicely. And it has cooled down, and you can hear it. It's so crunchy. Look, so beautifully crunchy. I'm just gonna have a little bit. Nothing beats freshly made granola. It's delicious. You can serve it on, obviously, however you enjoy your granola. I really do hope you will enjoy this. Try it soon. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you back tomorrow with another new recipe. Bye for now. I might put some milk in it. Lovely.